Hey guys, so I'm on my way to work right now, Subway. Just thought I'd shoot a quick video for a vlog. I'm gonna start calling it a day in the life of a Subway worker. I'm a little out of breath because I just went upstairs in the neighborhood. It's crazy. It's my life. It's a little cold out, actually. Looks like it's gonna rain. It just rained earlier. But yeah, it's a little cold out. This is my first vlogging video. I don't know how it's gonna go, and I'm sorry if it for some reason doesn't work out. But you'll see it if it comes on YouTube. I'm gonna try.
We could burn like a flame through the atmosphere. Yeah. Starlight, it's calling us. Leave the ghosts of our past in the stratosphere. Oh yeah, yeah. It's calling us.
This is my sandwich I'm eating. That's good. Good sandwich. Jalapenos, roast beef, ham and bacon, lots of pepper jack, and some jalapenos, some tomatoes, some onions, and lettuce, and cucumbers. Real good. It's got mayo and chipotle sauce. Yeah, this is what I'm eating today. So you know what?
Alright, well, it's about 8 o'clock at night, and my coworker just left, so I have the store to myself all night. And I just have to do the make line and sweep and mop and make sure the customers are happy for the next 2 hours by myself. And I have nothing to do if I'm not making sandwiches right now. So the make line gets done at 9. So I have like nothing to do for the next hour. So I have no customers, it is not busy. The joys of life. All of the things are done. I got a note here from my manager. I'll just read it to you real quick. It's says, first time closing, things forgot. Turn off the oven / proofer. Turn off the hot well. Write down amounts of meatballs thrown out. Clean out teapot. Miss some boxes of bread when counting it. I think you forgot the weight ones. After those 5 items, looks good for your first close, MJ. They're just things that I forgot to do when closing. Things like that. Really not that bad. I've had worse closes. They're probably not these. Yeah, so yeah, that customer was waiting there for quite a while. He was kind of mad. Wasn't paying attention. I need to be watching the camera so that I can see when customers are there. Oops. Yeah, that happens every now and then. I forget that they come in and I forget to hear them. Yeah, stuff like that happens all the time. Anyway, it's still a quiet night. I've got most of the chores done. Just kind of chilling in the back. Just waiting. See what to do. You like my work hair? It looks all gross and greasy probably by the end of the shift. Always happens. Every time. Yeah. I'm gonna go do some chores and I'll get you back up. Very sad thing just happened just now. I was going to grab my keys to, actually I was grabbing my wallet out of my pocket so that I could put a $2 tip in my wallet, and I went to grab my keys and there was Matt Smith's head detached from his body. And I'm very, very, very sad. He's not living anymore, Dr. said. This makes me all very sad. And now I'm just gonna have a Matt Smith on my keychain. Just like, no, Dr. Why? So now it's about 9 o'clock. It's time for me to clean out the make line. I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to do that. So I'm gonna put the camera down and show you. Just give me a couple seconds.